Subscribe to Smarttech, press the bell icon on to get the instant updates. Morning friends, me Santhosh From Smarttech. In this you want to see something new, either time, let's move on to the video. So actually, I didn't upload video for one day actually, so I forgot actually, not forgot. I was not feeling well now also. Okay, so what today's video is actually about, right? I was just searching for a video, like I was just thinking to do some editing on Kinemaster. So Kinemaster editing tutorials and all those things. So what just happened is nothing. So when I did, I just thought to make an intro, yeah. So what type of intro, I'll tell you. So in this one, I want to see that only. So I just made an intro that's not too cool or too bad or too good for me. For me, it's average level intro. So if you want to see that intro, it's here. I tell you how to do the intro. Just go to Kinemaster. So I try to give the link. I'll try to give the link in description of the blank picture one. So go to Kinemaster. Okay, I'll bring it here. You come here. Become big. And okay, first go to layer and go to handwriting. Choose the color as red and now make a circle there for sticking your logo there or keeping your logo there. So after doing it, make it a bit clear like this and go to media and choose your logo and go to cropping and mask its shape as circle. And after doing it, just crop it as a circle. So after cropping it, just fit it inside like this. Now skip the part. So after doing this, just crop it properly. And after doing that, just go to the three dots at left and press bring to front. And you could see, go to in animation and make it draw in order or draw in stroke. And overall animation, you make it as blink show. Then the logo, you make it as again in animation as run. So again, you could see it will be like this. In animation, you make it as slide right. And go to text and type I there. And after typing I, just crop it very much and choose Roboto light for it and make it very much big and go to shadow and off the shadow and choose the color as black and make it a bit big. And now what to do is just make it fit properly here and go to text and type your channel name like what I did now. You could type whatever your channel name is. So type in first the letter caps and go to the fonts and put Roboto black. After that, choose the color as green or light green or favorite green, whichever color you like, but green is a better one for the yellow matching. And on all the glow outline, all those things, go to layer text and type official here. Official, after typing the official, crop it here like what I'm doing now and choose any font you like and keep it there. Fit it down of the Smarttech or whatever channel name you have. Then again go to text, type YouTube channel or whatever social media you're using, you can type it there. Like I'm typing YouTube channel and make it a bit big and choose it as Robo Contents as bold italic. And choose the color as red because YouTube color is always red. Sorry, by mistake I did it. And remove the shadow from it. After doing that, you could just see it's like this. And now go to the I1 and choose the in animation as slide up, or sorry, slide down. And then your Smarttech, that one in animation as wipe left or wipe right, anything you like, or animation link show. Then go to official YouTube channel, there in animation as slide up and wipe up in animation, and overall animation you put as pulse. Now for official in animation, you could put it as the letter by letter, like of O F F I C I A it will come, and but this overall animation actually is not needed. If you want, you can put. So yeah, if you want, you can put. This is how the video will look finally. And now go to music. There at top, choose the songs from music at assist, and type the holiday wishes song. Type it and just see how the song will play.